Hey friends, it's Brittany from Kickstart Kids. We hope everyone is having a fabulous Monday today. We just wanted to let everyone know that our Kickstart Kids Norris, Texas online auction is closing tonight at 9 p.m. So you're going to want to make sure that you get your bids in before then. There are some incredible items that we know that you'll want to bid on. I'm going to showcase a few of them for you now. We have a Surfside Texas package. Now you get the house for an entire week. And oh, by the way, winner's choice, you get your choice of 3 incredible houses based on your needs and what your family is looking for. We have Paradise Point, the Chelsea, or the Rustic Bungalow. So if you want to be right on the beach, we have that for you. If you want to be across from the beach, we have that for you. If you want to be a minute walk from the beach, we have that for you as well. So based on your needs and preferences, these houses are incredible. Who wouldn't want to get away right now for a week? You can just sit and relax and enjoy the sun. Or if you want to do some fishing, there's fantastic fishing there. There's also some incredible surfing as well. We know you're going to want to spend time with your friends and family, and this will make the perfect getaway. And this package, guys, right now the starting bid is only $17.50, so you are getting a steal. We also have a golf at St. Andrews in Scotland package. This package is absolutely amazing. If you've never been to Scotland, it's absolutely stunning and you're gonna wanna go. You could literally be at the birthplace of golf with this package. It's 7 nights at the incredible Fairmont Hotel in St. Andrews. You get $500 in resort credit that you can use if you wanna go golfing. You could use it for the spa, or you could use it for any of the incredible activities that they have there. The hotel and the golf courses have won numerous awards that you're definitely want to be a part of. And you guys have 2 years to travel. So you have until, 9 of 28 of 2022 until you need to bid. Yes, click on the link below if you guys are interested in any of these items, because there's some incredible ones at Givergy, and we're happy to have you guys bid there. We also, Chuck Norris fans, we only have 5 of these left. We started with 26 of them, but we have Chuck Norris signed black belts. Again, there's 5 left, and once they're gone, they're gone. So we know that you're definitely gonna wanna take advantage and get those. We also have some really cool, I have mine on, my Chuck Norris 80th birthday celebration t-shirt. We have them in youth medium and adult small through 3X. They are only $20, and we will ship them anywhere in the United States that you need them to go for free. So a great value, a great deal. It's gonna be one of your favorite shirts. I know I love mine. They're super soft and comfortable, and you also get to support our students. The holidays are right around the corner. Now is an awesome time for you guys to make some bids and get some incredible items and to share us with the people that you love the most in your life. And if you didn't fall in love with any of our auction items, we ask that you take the Chuck Challenge. The Chuck Challenge is an incredible opportunity for our students. If you make a $50 or more gift, those donations are going to go directly to our students who cannot afford to pay for registration this year. Unfortunately, due to COVID, a lot of jobs have been lost. There's a lot of kids that can't afford to pay this year. So we need y'all's help to be the difference in our students' lives, to make that generous gift of only $50 to pay for our students' registration fees. Also, just by registering for our auction, just by clicking on that link below and registering, no bid required, no purchase required, you're entered to win a $100 Amazon gift card. So I know that will go a long way this holiday season. So make sure you register for our auction to be entered to win that. So what are you guys waiting for? Click on the link below, be the difference to our students today, and donate.
I'm grateful for the Kickstart Kids Virtual Academy because it allows me to grow and learn while still keeping all of us safe.
As it allows me to stay connected to my instructor and friends.
I'm so grateful for Kickstart Kids and what they've done, because they've given me an opportunity to do something I enjoy. I love learning about karate and all the forms, and to just think how everything has been passed down from ages and ages ago.
A Kickstart teaches you so much about virtue and kindness and what it really means, like being honest with yourself.
It gives me a chance to connect and interact with them in a way I could only do so in the dojo.
Support Kickstart Kids by impacting students like me.
Like me.
And me.
And me.
What are you waiting for? Click on the link below, bid today, and be the difference for our students.